I am Tien. I'm from University of Mining and Genomics. Professor Oleksii Mykhailenko, who's from National University Ukraine. Type of article: application of mining technology by the combination of ANSH equipment to longwall in the state of Mykhailenko mines, Vietnam. Introduction: fully mechanized mining technology is a type of technology that use shearer and plow with mechanized seal to extract coal. This technology has been used in many countries where the mechanized mining techniques applies to coal also relatively effective. In recent years, mechanized mining technology that use shearer have been applied to a number of underground mines in the Quảng Ninh coalfield, Vietnam, and it has achieved certain initial efforts. However, the fully mechanized mining technology that use plow is still a new technology and had not been adequately researched in invest in underground mines in the Quảng Ninh coalfield. This is mechanized mining technology that applies to the shim with medium thickness and deep angle of over 50 degrees. Mining technology by drilling and blasting is a main technology that has been applied to coal seam of medium thickness, deep angle of over 50 degrees. This manual mining technology. This advantage of this technology allows safety. Interruption in the technological chain, releasing harmful gas and long productivity. To eliminate the disadvantage of the drilling and blasting mining method, along with the determination to modern technology in underground mining. Mykhailenko feature of longwall in shim of Mykhailenko mine. The thickness of the shim with an average of 1.80 cubic meter, belonging to the medium thickness and very stable ties. The deep angle of shim with an average of 61 degrees. Some average physical and mechanized diameter of the roof and floor. The roof and floor are sandstone, siltstone, claystone. Technological characteristic of ANSH mining equipment combination. Mining technology by the combination of ANSH equipment. Based on the geological condition of the mine, on the basic of the technical characteristic of the mining equipment combination, select the two ANSH combination or the ties with equivalent technical characteristic for the application of coal mining of medium technique. If angle of over 50 degree at Mykhailenko mine to analyze and field survey is on that equipment complications is suitable for the condition of the longwall in a shinsick of Mykhailenko mine. One, shield. The shield you in this equipment complete is a Trung and shield compilation and the technology characteristic shown in the table. 2. Co-cutting. To extraction coal in the longwall in a shim sick in the Mykhailenko mine. Head 2 and plow on ASSM with the specification shown in table. Technical characteristic of coal plow 1 ASSM. Low speed engine power width, low length. 3. Technological process of mining in the longwall phase. The process of this mining technology carried out in 3 stages as follows. Stage 1, exploiting to install the shield. Stage 2, exploiting the longwall using a combination of shield. Stage 3, dismantling the shield complex, moving to the next mining leaves. Exploiting to grease way to install the shield is done by manual drilling and blasting methods, supporting the longwall phase by woods. When cutting the supporting in the shift direction for web cuts, install the first shield, then exploit in the shift direction of one web cut to continue its installing the next shield. Co-cutting in the longwall follows in deep direction of the shield. The cutting of coal in the longwall phase by the plow system. The plow move along the longwall phase and cutting coal from the floor to the roof of the longwall. After cutting the enters length of the longwall phase, the plow returns to its orange position before moving the shield. When the longwall exploits to about 8 to 12 meters from the transport level, proceed to grease space for the longwall phase to dismantle the shield system. The work of dismantling the shield is carried out in turn from the ventilation brake incline to the transport brake incline. The recovery shields and transported to the ventilation level to be entered in a server of mining for the new leaves. Process of coal cutting in the longwall phase using a plow. 4. Support plan for the longwall phase in shim thick of Mykhailenko mine. The length of longwall leaves 60 meters. Distance between little between the shoe in the complex 1 meter. Number of shoes in the complex 60 shoe. 5. Operation scheme and human resource arrangement for the long wheel in Simsik of một cái của mày. The operation scheme in long wheel in Simsik of một cái của mày. That's the of human resource arrangement in the long wheel in Simsik of một cái của mày. Yes, that's production tasks in the long wheel in Simsik organized and performed in cycle. A cycle of each web cut accumulates within 3 shifts. Equipment relevant to the phase moving progress of 4 meters per day. A web cut includes the follow states: cutting phase and seal sitting with an advantage of 0.3 meter. Strengthen the long wheel in preparing for a new web cut. The number of workers in the long wheel phase runs depending on the specific work of each shift. According to calculation, the required number of workers is 48 people, in which each shift runs for 16 people. 6. Economics and technology in this. After research and application of mining technology by the combination of ANSH equipment to long wave in Simsik of một cái của mày, which is exploits by fully mechanized technology with the above equipment combination. The calculates main economics technical in this so in the table. Number of workers in a day 48 workers. The height of coal cutting long wheel 2.1 meter. Calculation. E. It is very necessary to research and select mining technology to ensure the economics and technical requirement to exploit the shim of medium thickness and deep angle of over 50 degrees at the một cái của mày. 2. Based on the geological condition of the mine and the technological characteristic of the mining equipment combination. This study proposed and selected a combination of two ANSH equipment or a ties with equivalent technical characteristic to exploit coaching of medium techniques, deep angle of over 50 degree at Mykhailenko mines. 3. The application of mining technology using the combination of Chung's equipment to the condition of the longwall in a seam thick of Mykhailenko mine. According to calculation, it had met the requirement of economics and technology in this when mining. Labor productively 16 ton book ship logs high safety level. My report is finished. Thank you very much.